my friends, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great. I'm going to showcase you the new arrival collections which I heard from the soft premium from the linen cotton digital collections, where I was telling that I heard the collections really came onto my face. Yes, I'm talking about the beautiful classy saree, which is a linen premium, which is a digital concept of the matte pallu with a beautiful beige green color. And if I talk about the classy color charts, I have a new arrivals with the premium cotton section, which are at the wholesale price. And if you are especially a boutique reseller, then you should have these type of collections. Yes, my friends, I just want to tell you the premium counter of the cotton. Always I show you new arrivals from this counter. Yes, this is the counter which the new arrivals, as I heard about the linen cotton premium varieties. The price range, if I talk about, the only around 700 to 800 range of varieties. To know the actual price, quickly take a screenshot and call our online team and quickly purchase and add into your customers. My friends, whenever you're watching the Clothing Business Surat channel, this channel will help you to have your own clothing brand, to have new collections. So subscribe and follow and share with everyone, especially Sri Lanka, Malaysia, Colombo, Canada, US and India. The people who want to do the online business, these premium cotton sarees should be at your business. Yes, I want to show you the premium linen cotton with the digital concepts of the mat. Every country should have these kind of varieties for your customers, especially ladies who are working ladies. So quickly subscribe the channel. And today I brought for you the soft premium linen cotton with a matte pallu. The budget is around 700 to 800. Boutique resellers, you should not miss these collections. First pattern, you have a beautiful light pink of the rose milk. The beautiful pink of this color. This is the pattern of the digital concept with the leafy pattern. You have a classy onion pinkish color. This is the barcode you can see over here, and you can take a screenshot and you can add into your business. One of the pattern, I have a dark mud gray with the combination of matte golden, which is this is a leafy pattern black color with the combination of the cream color. When I talk about the gray color, you have a matte gray, you have a leafy, all the matte digital. This is one of the concept. I have a ocean blue, very pretty color for the specially formal look, classy. The art finishing, you can see how the digital concepts which has been done. Every saree you having here, this is a beautiful concept of the pattern, and this is a beautiful lavender color. You have a bird print, black printed, and this is the kind of collections. This is a lavender with the matte pattu border. And if I talk about the dark green, which is a beige green, I've showed you. And here, one of the pattern you can see only less digital printed concepts of the military green color. This is also one of the concepts. Every saree is having a beautiful, rich, elegant and soft pallu. See how the premium design you can see over here. These kind of varieties you should have. And when you are in a boutique counter, your saree should be at the anchor. How the anchors are displayed. The anchors, you can see the many varieties of the, this is the beautiful ball tassels overhanging here. The premium looks elegant and attractive, and you should have these kind of premium rich look catalogs where easily your customer can purchase by seeing the catalogs. Yes, nowadays the digital world has been updated and technology is keep on updating, and the new sales ethics are coming, so you can also utilize in your brand. And don't lose your customers when they come to you. Try to understand the customer's requirement and fulfill, give them best value of the product and add your business margin and keep doing marketing for your brand. And clothing business is one of the fast moving products, and this is very easy selling experience you can have in your life. So one of the industry which is fast moving in this digital world, that is clothing business, either reselling, shop owners, boutique resellers, dealers, online business. Hope you enjoyed this soft look premium linen digital printed sarees. Keep enjoying these collections, add into your business. Ensure that you should know, let me know in the comments from which city you're watching the video, and don't forget to share the link with your friends, relatives, everyone. And you can also follow, share and subscribe the Rani Talks Tamil and Telugu channel. Next video will meet with new more collections and information. Until then, keep supporting me. Bye bye.